Okay, so next we've got the first cabin air filter. They put it under the hood. So there's one under the hood, and then inside under the front driver's seat panel, there's two more. So this one leads in to the two inside, but this is it's a cover over a battery, and it's got three clips on the top, as you can see, and all you have to do is pop those three clips up and pull this whole cover here off. So all I've got to do is find a good place to set this down, just to give it a little bit of a viewpoint. And I'll pop that off, show you what we're dealing with here. So as I said, this whole piece comes off. So this just pops out, and it sits on top of the battery. And to make sure I get this in the camera this time, I'm going to bring this around. So under the light here, you can see the inlet here. The air flows up from the bottom where the battery is through here into the cabin of the car. This whole piece just comes off, and then if we look at the bottom where the air comes in, you can see how filthy it is. So this definitely needs to be replaced, and I'm going to get some on order coming in, and then finish the job up in the video along with it, and I'll show you how this reconnects. So for now, I'm just going to set it back in here, because I'm not really going to be running this thing in the garage anytime, well, in the extreme recent future. So yeah, we'll go on to move, see what's the filters inside look like in the cabin. Okay, so we got the under hood cabin air filter. Came in the mail, separate from everything else. It's one of the three cabin air filters. So there'll be two inside under the glove compartment area, and then this one out here. So this is nice new air filter. I'm going to pop this other guy off. So as I mentioned before, it's over the battery in this little box. It's kind of interesting. A lot of interesting things on this car. So this just pops off in one piece. Ta-da! Nasty, nasty, dirty air filter. So yeah, we can do without that. So I'll just pop this guy out. It's got a couple tabs over on this side that sort of hold it in. Looks like a little screwdriver to sort of do the trick. Just pry it out a little bit. And you can see from this, hopefully under the light, that who knows if it's ever been changed. Probably, but we're going to chunk this one. So new one. Always nice in plastic. Hopefully this is the right one. Sure it is. So this is diagonal shape, one end. So it will really only go in one way. But, you know, you have to know airflow. So this one looks like it might seal a little better because of the foam around it, but we'll see once we get it in here if it fits well. sure I like the way this fits. So let's see. Okay, so after messing around with that TYC cabin air filter, I just decided to trash it. It's pretty cheap, didn't fit properly. So what we're going to do is picked up a Mann filter replacement, and this looks much more like the one I pulled out. Looks a little bit better quality, and so that should go pretty good, I think. So let's see if it actually fits properly. It should. It looked like it did when I was eyeballing it. Just a matter of getting it in here. Let's see. My hands are a little cold. It's still winter here. It's cold outside. I like the winter, but working on cars and bikes in the winter, I don't think is really my idea of a party. I think my temperature gauge over here says it's a balmy 42 in here right now. And that's with space heaters running. I got them running this morning to warm it up a little bit. So there we go. Mann air filter. Wow, that fits perfect. So much better than that other one. TYC, don't buy it. Mann, buy. So there you go. So all we have to do is get back in here, put this cover back on. It's got 3 little latches. Snap in. 1, 2, 3. Sits over the battery. Now it looks good. So good to go on that. So next, on to the cabin. Inside, 2 cabin air filters in there. Hang tight. Here we go.